Well, welcome back everyone. The Ryan and Paul show. And today we decided to walk around the Haight, the famous Haight in Ashbury and Summer of Love and that place.
Yeah, the cool part.
So come along, there's Haight Street right there. That's famous street, obviously.
The cool part of San Francisco.
Yeah, maybe Ryan will even spit out a fun fact today. You never know.
I don't know. Oh yeah.
You see that orange cat? That's like a famous 1970s. It blew up, and I had bed sheets and pillowcases with those cats on it. The energy here is pretty off the hook.
Yeah, it's always like this, though.
Speaker problem. Speaker problem. Isn't it? Aren't these what the guy used to make that car?
Yep, that's the exact one.
I watched that video, by the way.
Yeah, I know you said. Like that content creator is really funny.
Yeah.
He's pretty raunchy, but he's funny.
He's young too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's from Hawaii.
From Hawaii?
Yeah.
They don't look like it. This is one of those. Yeah, they have all toys from Japan in there. Sergeant Pepper. That's a cool.
You can't. They do all the time.
Some cool art in there.
Yeah.
This is actual Haight and Ashbury here. Oh, this is I have a book of this guy's stuff. Crumb.
Oh yeah.
It's a crazy. He did Fabulous Freak Brothers. That one is classic. Stoned again. But I have a whole book in the garage.
That's awesome.
It's very 60s inspired, no doubt.
Looks like it.
Yeah. Yellow Submarine. Look at the bus and the tiles here. Jim Morrison, Hendrix, Janis Joplin, Stevie Nicks. Good old San Francisco hook and ladder there. With the Tiller Man in the back. It's getting tilly with it.
Yeah.
He's the Tiller Man. He's getting tilly with it. Look at this Bender.
Oh, that's funny.
There's Bender, and what else is going on?
It's got the slime from reincarnated as a slime.
Oh, it's got Plant vs. Zombies too.
Yeah, it's got Plant vs. Zombies. It's got Fry.
That's awesome. Check out this outfit.
Huh.
That's perfect for Sunday.
I guess so.
And the famous legs. How you doing?
Doing good, how are you?
Awesome. There's one, right?
Yeah. This is wow, what the fuck? You know those are so
Look at that straight one. Look at all of, you need to look up there. Look at the
I
selection.
saw that. They have a lot.
That's right, they cheer for the bus. There's a nice outfit. I like the paint on the side. You know, for those of you watching this video right now, I actually filmed the entire inside of that store. So it's on my channel if you want to check it out. Haight Dreams. You gotta love that. Look at the UFO one.
Oh, that's cool too.
And the astronaut one and the mushroom.
The
piece.
mushroom one looks super fragile, but it's like, because that glass looks so fragile.
Yeah, it does.
But also,
Kiss, Misfits, Black Sabbath, Booster Doo. Check out some of these pipes they make. That one's fantastic.
yeah, it looks like
This one, wow. Characters in here. Hand painted. Look at this, right? Just painted on cardboard.
There we go.
Stickers, blotter art. They got blotter art here too, and all sorts of stickers. You want stickers for your,
I mean, I think I'm okay with it.
for your car? You might find some really cool.
Worried.
Work sucks. I'm going on tour. Good stickers, man. Very unusual.
Yeah.
Metallica. Sex Pistols. It's almost like a
Holy awesome.
you got blotters in here. Electric Kool-Aid running. That's awesome. Yellow submarine blot paper. And the electric Kool-Aid. Look at this guy. So psychedelic SF. Look at all these this awesome art on the outside of this building, and they have Alex Gray art in there. If you're not familiar with that, he's the guy on all the Tool covers, or most of them, and they do a lot of cool art in here. And you can see the painting on the building is reflective of that. Unfortunately, they're closed right now, however.
Front of the Volkswagen.
Yeah, I love that. They got a Volkswagen van. Cookies merchandise. The dispensary's down the way a little.
Yeah, it's a bit further down from the block.
Nice outfit. That's cool, Ryan. Teacup.
Oh, that is really cool.
It's Goofy partaking. Or is that Pluto? Look at these
Yeah, the
outfits.
van.
Oh yeah, the van.
Look at the front. Proud Boys fuck off. It's so awesome.
Yeah, I like that.
That's so awesome. It's messed up SpongeBob.
Sanity Syndrome, is that what it says?
Yeah. Really?
Pretty cool van parked here, randomly. It's the block. So this is the bomb. Slice House Pizza. This is from the Slice House. This is called the Detroit Slice of the Day. And I can tell you, I've just been picking at it so far because it's really hot. It's really good. That's the basic cheese.
Oh, that's fucking cool. That's so cool, bro.
I'm not sure why this is called a high five zone. Make eye contact, flatten your hand. Oh, we're supposed to high five each other. Make eye contact, flatten your hand, aim your elbow, high five. It's a high five zone. Ryan, we're supposed to be high fiving now.
I'm dealing with hiccups. No high fives for me.
Wah wah. In the high five zone. High five. This sign is very strange. Coming soon, 100% affordable housing in the city of San Francisco. Really? I question that. This crazy graffiti alley. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
And this one down here. Graffiti alley. On Haight Street. This guy's gonna ride a wheelie, I bet. Yep.
$7,111. You marked down.
It's big, yeah,
12.
half off. That's a pretty amazing crystal. This is our favorite crystal store here on Haight Street. The incense I want is over here. It's called Super something. I'll recognize the box. Well, everyone, thank you for joining Ryan and myself today.
Thank you.
On our little walk around Haight. That was always a fun experience.
Always enjoyable.
If you enjoy what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button, bell notification,
All like goofy stuff.
comment, and I'll see you on my next video.
See ya.
Peace.